Unlock the secret to controlling technology with your mind. Imagine being able to control your favorite devices with just a thought. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that this technology is real, and it's changing lives? Meet Emma, a brilliant engineer who was paralyzed in an accident. She thought her career was over, but then she discovered brain-computer interface technology. This revolutionary tech allows people to control devices with their minds. From prosthetic limbs to communication devices, it's transforming lives. Did you know that our brains can process visual information in just 13 milliseconds? That's faster than the blink of an eye. Imagine harnessing that power. Emma's story is just one example of how this technology is changing lives. Imagine the possibilities for people with paralysis, ALS, or other motor disorders. Share this video with someone who needs to see the incredible potential of brain-computer interface technology. Subscribe to Sci-Savvy for more mind-blowing content. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next video.